Today I will show you how to make a cross lap joint using the right tools. Among the necessary materials and equipment: 2 sticks measuring 1 inch x 2 inches, hand saw, marking gauge, L square, pencil, wood mallet, chisel. First step, marking work. Using a square L, mark a straight line for the 2 sticks. Measure the width of the wood and mark the second line next to the first line. Bring the 2 sticks together and line them together. Transfer the line to the side of the wood for both sides. Then measure the thickness of the wood and divide it into 2 equal thicknesses. Transfer the measurement to the marking gauge. Then, using a marking gauge, make a line on the edge of the 2 sticks. Using a hand saw, cut the part that has been marked earlier, which is half of the thickness of the wood. Clamp the wood on the workbench and remove the sawn section using a chisel. Clean the part that has been chiseled so that it is flat. Do this for both sticks. Here are the two pieces of wood that have been carved. Check the thickness of the wood on the part that has been carved, which is half of the thickness of the wood. Mount the two pieces of wood and make sure the joint surface is flat. That's all we practiced today.